Good morning, everyone. So today, I've already been getting to work. I have been going through my son's closet. We are getting his room completely pulled together for back to school. I have a couple other projects that we are working on. We have his 4th birthday coming up. So today we are making cookies that we will be decorating for the party. And I'm doing meal prep today. So I have a lot on my list of things to do. Today is September 1st. And I was working on what things I want to achieve in September. And there's a couple that I'm getting right back into the swing of things on. Now that I even was telling my husband, now that I have finished, for the most part, the garage sale, I got through the big, I got the garage sale done. I did one inventory sale. We did decide I'm gonna do another one at the end of the month, but for now it's just out of my mind. I don't really have to do much, except I was asked by my husband to clear the stairs. So we're gonna be working for a little bit in the garage today. But just some of my September goals is, one, to get back on track with my health goals. And that is going to be 30 minutes of activity every single day. So walking, weights, yoga, 30 minutes of activity. No requirements of speed. So similar to my 31 days of walking for 40 minutes, I had no speed requirements. Because if you've ever gone on a health type journey, some days you're just tired. Some days you're just tired and you don't want to be walking full force. You just want to go for a leisurely walk. And for me and my goals, I'm just going for 30 minutes. So it could possibly be that I walk at 2.5 miles per hour for 30 minutes, or I just go for a stroll outside with my son and my dogs. That counts. So 30 minutes of activity. That's it. I also am working on my meal prep. I did purchase a few items to help me out with that. I have a fridge full of great food that today we are going to be putting away. I grocery shopped on Monday. Today is Thursday. So I'm a little behind. I would have liked to have done it right when I got home, but it just, things just don't always work the way you have the intention of them doing, or of them going. Another goal that I have for the month of September, because it's back to school, we're starting new routines, is to get right back into, I have not been on my decluttering with Fly Lady. I fell in love with the 15 minutes of decluttering a day. I looked forward to it. If I missed a day, I enjoyed making it up the next day, even if it took me some extra time. And we're getting back on track with that. So I have 2 series, I should say, that I'm going to be focused on, and one is going to be on my health journey. The other is going to be on decluttering, 15 minutes a day for the month of September. So 30 days decluttering starting today. I'm pretty excited about it. So I'm pretty excited. Yesterday was an awesome day. I felt energized and motivated, and I'm feeling that way today too. So let's get to it. I've decided to stop what I was doing because I've been dying to open this box. since yesterday when I went to the post office and picked it up. Rose Forever contacted me and they saw my, they saw Domestic Wannabe and they said, this girl needs roses that are gonna last a year. And I was ecstatic and said, yeah, how fast can you get them to me? Because I want them yesterday. So I went to their website, they let me pick out a color. I'm very excited. Honestly, any color I would have been happy with because they are, every single picture on their website is absolutely gorgeous. But I have two places I'm thinking of putting these. One place I was thinking was, oh, I'll put them in my bedroom, but I don't spend time in my bedroom. I spend time in this general area. So I have to think about two things. One, my cat likes to eat flowers and eat plants. So I have to keep it where she won't go. And two, I want to keep it where little hands can't go. I was thinking in my desk area because I work there quite often, but I actually decided, hey, I'm gonna tidy up this kitchen, which you just watched me do. I still have an area to go, but I think I'm going to put it in the place I spend the most time, and that is the kitchen, and I'm thinking right by the coffee pot. But here goes. I'm so excited to see these. So you get to pick, they have an assortment of different boxes that they come in. I chose black velvet, which I think is absolutely gorgeous. Looks like a big jewelry box. And I picked my favorite color, pink. In shipping, they got to me perfectly. They're gorgeous. Oh my gosh. And I really do think these are gonna stay. I usually keep flowers right in the center of my kitchen, but I'm going to put them over by my coffee pot because that area keeps getting cluttered, and I think this will prevent it, because who wants to put clutter in front of a beautiful set of roses like this? I think this will stack right on top of it. Ooh, so I could even hide some stuff in there. Oh my God, I love these. Okay. Everyone that is watching this video, they've actually offered me the opportunity to give you $25 off if you use code ALLIE25 at checkout. This uses a natural oil that makes sure that these roses are preserved as if they were just freshly picked. 1 year. I can't keep flowers more than 4 days. This is a Domestic Wannabe's flower of choice. That is for sure. Okay. Now to hit this hot spot, because you can't have beautiful roses next to a mess like this. Now they also come in customizable boxes. They have a bunch of different options to pick from. This is a black suede, which is from complete vegan material. So what is neat, in addition to getting to pick your box, you can also pick from a huge variety of colors of roses, including violet, black, and royal blue, which they use a special preservative to make sure that the colors will last for the whole year, as if they are, again, picked fresh daily. Tell me below what color you'd pick. All right, today is September 1st. I just feel like it is a day to start many new things fresh and new. And one of the things that I started today, not only am I doing a health journey for the month of September of 30 minutes of working out a day, but I'm also doing a declutter mission where I am using the Fly Ladies 15 minutes a day for 30 days. I am going to hit every single day. And I'm also incorporating other creators' methods of decluttering and their suggestions for decluttering, and then I'm going to compile and see what I like, because we all know I love decluttering. So now I'm just going to add in some different methods to my 15 minutes a day. So with that being said, I already filmed my decluttering mission for the day, and I wanted to just do a before and after of the house, of exactly what the house looks like on September 1st, and then see how it ends up on September 30th, because September really is, we are having our family's very first back to school. My son is starting preschool for the first time. We have swim lessons starting, so we have a whole new routine that's starting after Labor Day. And I'm really pumped for it. I'm excited. It's something that's all new, and I just feel like it's my opportunity to make my routines and make my goals achieve, like I can reach everything. I think I've always had that feeling back to school since I was a kid. I've loved back to school, so I think that's why I'm really energized, because we are gonna experience our first back to school. Just wanted to show you, this is what the house looks like September 1st. We have a birthday party coming up, so you know I will do a deep clean before everyone comes to our house, but this is what September 1st is. Let's see what I can do in 30 days. Tour. All right, so we're starting in my office. This is going to be turned into something new. I actually would really like to do some redecorating, including taking down some artwork. You're gonna see in a minute, we moved a bed, so that is bedding from another room. And this space, so these bins should really be gone through. I have not touched this space in a very long time, and I think it's going to be time to go through it. And the closet might be a little wobbly, guys, I'm sorry. Oh, if you remember this room, we have something missing. We took the bed out of my husband's office and put it in my son's room. So he has a brand new bed. We've got some areas that still need some love. It's so dark back here. I think I'm gonna get some different lighting. Oops. If you remember, I did a full clean out of this, but it's a working space. All right, I'm gonna say this is all Christmas and birthday. All right, we gotta keep this shut because there's a little boy that can't see that stuff. All right, this came out of my husband's office as well. We are selling it. We're gonna try to sell it on Marketplace, but it needs to be moved to the garage, but there's been no room in the garage because I've been doing an inventory sale. Oh, doesn't that still look beautiful? I still have some more decluttering down here to do. This needs to get decluttered. There's a box that my cat has turned into a bed. Yeah, it's not terrible. The bar is still immaculate, aside from some drinks that need to go in the fridge. Oh, and I got this, you guys. I'm so excited about it. I will tell you all about it soon. I'm very excited about it. We were just in here. Part of my health journey is I'm doing meal prepping, and I'm getting this fridge pulled together and fruits and veggies prepped and ready to eat. I'm starting it tonight, actually. And the biggest project of them all. So my husband has asked that I take care of these steps so he can walk out here and not kill himself. but I sold a lot. I'm gonna sell more.